How to upload photos in Google Drive and share the link. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. Now first thing first, make sure that you are logged into your specific Google account and that you have opened the drive. If you have not, simply go ahead at the search bar, type in drive.google.com and then get logged into your account and open the drive. Now let's go ahead and create a new folder. For that, click on create, click on new folder. I'm gonna give it a name test, then click on create. Now as it is, so the test folder is open here. Now let's go ahead and add some images. For that also you have to click on new here and simply click on file upload. Now in my case I have uploaded 3 images, as you can see on my right hand side. These are the 3 files that has been uploaded. Now if you would like to share all these links to other people, then here's what you should do. You can either share one by one. If you would like to do it all together, you will see the folder name. In case you have named your folder anything, you will see it right here. So you have to right click onto it. And here you will see share. Click on share and simply type in any Google address where you would like to share it. If you would like to just copy the link, you may go ahead and copy the link, but make sure that this is set to anyone with the link. Once done, click on to done. And just like so, this is how you can upload images in Google Drive and share the link. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.